here's what you'll need for my double bacon cheeseburger. Get yourself some nice beef mince. You want some that's got a good fat content, don't get none of that lean stuff. You're going to need some bacon and cheese, of course, nice big tomato or 2 or 3 little ones, an onion, some buns for it to go on, bit of milk, black pepper, salt, gherkin or pickle as it's known elsewhere, and some lettuce.
That's it.
First thing we're going to do, get your mincemeat into a bowl, and then it's in with some salt and black pepper. Then with your onions that you've pulverised or chopped as finely as you can, and then get it all squelched together. Now you can have all sorts of herbs and spices and what have you, but for a beef burger I just like the taste of the beef and onions, and then I'm going to add flavour to the actual burgers when we build them. Wet your hands and then get a bowl like a small tennis ball, like that, and then just flatten it down into a patty. And then it's into your hot oil, and don't be messing with it, let it seal. When they've had 3 or 4 minutes on one side, time to flip them over and seal in the other side. When your burgers have had 7 or 8 minutes all told, put them on some draining cloth, and it's time to get your streaky bacon. When your bacon's done, get that onto some kitchen roll, and then it's time to make yourself a bit of cheese sauce. Into a pan, you're going to heat some milk up, not too much, just a drop, and then you're going in with some cheese. You want thin so you can grate it or use a potato peeler like I'm doing. And then you're just going to melt the cheese into the milk. With everything ready, it's time to start building your burger. First thing you're going on, some lettuce, and a big slice of tomato. One of your burgers, and then we're going on with some pickle, and onto there with some of your cheese sauce. Onto there with your other burger, and then again a bit more cheese sauce. Finally, 2 strips of bacon. And then to keep it all together, a wooden skewer, and get stuck in.